Hello everyone, thank you for joining my channel. I have a bit of a change of scenery here. I think these videos are getting lazier and lazier because this time I didn't even bother getting out of bed for it. But earlier this month I told you that I shopped quite a bit over the past month and a half. Retail therapy plus my normal shopping, a lot of shopping. And I'm not sure that you actually believed me, but today is yet another haul. Before I get started, can you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button? What I'm featuring today is what I am known for, what I am good at. These off-season finds, getting great deals that are not necessarily for the season that we're currently in. And I don't mind them because they're typically classic pieces that I can wear year over year, and then in the season to come, that is not here right now, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you some of the things that I got. I'm pretty excited to show you. The very first item is a pair of really deep chocolate brown Fry boots. And you guys know Fry is a really good brand, high quality in terms of the craftsmanship. And I'm pretty excited about these because they are very small heel. I can wear them all the time and not expect to fall and slip. Very comfortable, so I can walk a really long time. And I didn't have this color. Of all the boots that I have, I don't have this color in the tall boot. So great leather. The original price was $458. And at the time when I got these, Nordstrom's Rack was having a sale for an additional 40% off boots. So while these are listed for $90, I got them for $54. So not a bad find, $54 for a pair of leather Fry boots. I am excited to wear these. So the very first one here, after the boots, is a sweatshirt that I got from Banana Republic. So it's a very basic. These are, again, off-season sort of finds, basics. There's a combo, off seasons and basics. So this one's a sweatshirt. I am really excited to wear this one. Nothing very special about this one. It's a feminine one because it has a little bit of a poofy sleeve here at the bottom. But I will rock this. This is very versatile. I'll wear it a lot. And I paid $14.57 for this sweatshirt. The next one is, again, just a not even off season. I just bought this sort of proactively thinking I could always use a really nice dress. This one's a dark navy dress with a tie in the front, and it's A-line. It kind of balloons out. And this one I ended up getting from H&M for $15. So I am excited to wear this. I just hope somebody takes me somewhere that warrants wearing a dressy dress. I don't go out very much, so hopefully this doesn't end up in my keep or sell pile. The next one is a sweater from H&M, and I ended up getting this one. I love the color. It's like a bubblegum pink. I got this one for $5. So this one's pretty cute. Got it for $5 at H&M. So this next one is an all white. Hinge is the brand sweatshirt. I got an extra small. I got this one, again, very basic, all white, but the only difference makes it very feminine is that it has a tie here on the cuff. And this one I got for $4.97. Not a bad find. The next one is a James Pierce t-shirt. I ended up getting this one got this one for $13.97. You know, James Pierce is a pretty somewhat designer brand. So this was a $95 t-shirt. I got it for $13. Not bad. This one's like I want to say maroon color. And I'll be wearing it sort of in a, you know, relaxed, slouchy kind of a way. Next one is a James Pierce dress. It's a fitted ruched dress. So this is gray, and it has the ruching here in the middle, and it has a V neckline. So you can see that, and it ruches all the way down towards the knee. So this is sort of a short dress. This one was originally $225. And I ended up getting this one for $25.31. So this dress right here. So this one, I can imagine wearing this. I can dress it up and dress it down. I can wear it with heels and sneakers. Just because of the stretchy, cottony nature of it, it could go up or down. I also got another sweatshirt here. The brand is Madewell, and I ended up getting this one for $12.97. This one's a basic navy sweatshirt. and it just has a small little detail here at the neckline. I have another similar one to this one. It's gray, but it's the gray one I have is thicker. This one's much thinner. So I think I could wear this as a layering piece in the winter and then on its own, you know, in spring and fall. So I like this one. It's a really feminine short cut, sort of not really cropped, but I think it'll hit just at the waist. The next basic that I bought was a nicely cut j.crew. I got this one in a petite double extra small, and it's a stretch perfect fit button down shirt, and I could use this for work, and I could pop this on with jeans for a clean classic look. And it, you know, it's very tailored to the woman's body, so it has the darting in there and the good stretch in there makes it seem like it's tailored just for your body. So I am very pleased with this buy. I got this one for $24.97. The fact that it is j.crew, which is a really, you know, they're really well made in their pieces in terms of shirts and stuff, like stuff for the office. I find that the quality is there. It's really good. But then the other thing is the fit. I struggle with, since I'm slim at the top, slender at the top, I really struggle with finding things that fit me well, and this being a petite double extra small for this price, I was willing to buy it. I think I'll get a really good use out of it and a lot of wear. Then I got a winter hat. Those of you who know me in real life know that I love pom-pom hats. I've probably mentioned this in other hauls in the past, but I love pom-pom hats. And this is a great thick knit. You can see how thick that is. So it'll really treat me well during our Chicago winters. It gets really, really cold here in the winter, and this pom makes it even cuter. So it's gray, and I got this for $3. And then finally, I got some jewelry items. I've been playing around with chokers lately, so I got all of these for $1. This one is a really cool one. It's wide, but it's sheer, so it's like, you know, barely there, but not there. So a nice touch to a simple outfit, I think. So I think I'm gonna get some good wear out of that one. Got another similar idea. This one's lace. I don't know if you can see that. If I put my hand through, maybe you can see that a little better. This one's a lace one, so for $1 again. And lastly, I got another white one. There are 3 of them on there. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna stick my hand through. You can see all 3. They come in varying sizes, and this one is velvet. So they're all 3 white velvet. You can wear them all at the same time, or you can wear them one by one, depending on what kind of look you're going for. And again, $1. So that brings me to the end of this haul. Yeah, thanks for coming to bed with me. Let me know what you thought of these finds. Do you think it's a great idea or a bad idea to shop off season? I think I got some pretty decent items that I will wear for a long time to come. Nothing spectacular. Again, these were just basics in off seasons. But I thought it was worth talking to you about them because it may inspire you to go out and do a little shopping as well to find some things for fall and winter. Thanks for joining. Bye.